Now this is the problem of this machine. I'm going to show you how the setting is right now. Now when I put the carrier, you see as the needle goes down, the carrier is already moving. Otherwise, it's not rhyming with the needle. Just look at the way it is right now. This org right now is not correct, including the needle. Now you see the carrier has already moved. The hook, this hook now has already moved down before the needle comes down. Now this is bad. That's how the setting of the machine is. Now I'm going to show you what really caused it. The cause is coming from this side now. Inside here now, this place. Now first of all, you are going to lose out this thread take up. This thread take up. Now after taking it out, there is a knot that I need to fix inside this place now. This knot now, it came off. Now this knot now is what's causing this issue. So the knot now needs to go inside this hole now. Just look closely. Now you see the hole. This hole now, that knot came off from there. That's why the setting of the machine just rearranged. So you put this nail and you use your hand and be rotating the hand wheel. Make sure the nail has gone deep inside that hole, because the hole needs to match with the one inside. Before that, you can fix this knot now. Now this is how to fix the knot. Just put it in there and you screw it in. Like I said, make sure you use that nail to gauge the hole of the knot, so that the system will arrange back to how it's supposed to be. So you tighten the knot very well. Now this is it. This is the knot. I've fixed it. So now we are going to look at the setting of the machine again. So now you see as the setting is right now. Now the needle now is rhyming with the carrier. As you can see, the needle is down, and as the carrier moves, it's going to take the thread now from the needle. So that's how you fix this kind of issue, in case you find your sewing machine this way. So here I'm going to couple back this one, the thread take up lever. This is how you fix it. Watch closely. As you are tightening it, you are just rotating the hand wheel of the machine, because if you tighten it like that without rotating the hand wheel, it will not set properly. It's going to stiff. So once it have gotten tight, then you use a bigger screwdriver to lock it up. Now I'll be applying oil on the machine. Anytime you are servicing your machine, don't forget to apply oil. It's very important. If you still don't know how to properly oil your sewing machine, I got the video on my channel. You can go through my channel and you get a video on how you can properly oil your sewing machine. So now I'm going to test it out if it's going to sew properly. As you can see, the machine is sewing very fine. It's not skipping anywhere at all. The stitches is okay. I'm going to double it and see if it's going to have any issue on a thick fabric. Alright, it's sewing properly, sewing very fine on a thick fabric. So that's how you can solve such kind of issue on your sewing machine. Just have to make sure you secure that knot whenever it falls off. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe.